guys out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Now that we're almost out of this pandemic and things are back to normal, sort of. In today's episode, we've got an amazing salad dish for you to make. We're gonna make Orzo pasta salad combined with asparagus, making this a perfect side dish that goes along with anything you place on that table. So what are we waiting for? If you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to hasta la pasta. Let's start off with the Orzo. Follow the directions on the box of the packaging of the Orzo. I used about half a cup. Cut off the ends of a handful of asparagus and place it in a boiling water for about 3 minutes. Once it's done, immediately take it out and place it in a bowl of ice water to keep it crispy. Cut colorful cherry tomatoes in half. Cut pitted black olives in half as well. For the dressing, in a large bowl, combine a quarter cup of lemon juice, quarter cup of olive oil, a zest of a whole lemon, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings, add salt and pepper to taste, and stir with a wire whisk. Now add the Orzo, the asparagus, the tomatoes, black olives, and fresh basil. And mix it all well together until all your ingredients have been well coated. And here it is, our Orzo pasta salad with asparagus, some olive oil, a little bit of basil on top. Let's try this out. Oh yeah, the flavorings of the Italian seasoning, the lemon, the citrus, hits the tones perfectly in my palate. Guys, this is perfect to celebrate the end of this coronavirus and getting all back together again. Of course, with some restrictions. But this is definitely awesome if you decide to do a potluck coronavirus dinner. If you're looking for more pasta salad recipes and ideas, I have one for you as well that I created a while ago. Go ahead and click on the link above and that recipe will be yours. And that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this pasta Orzo salad recipe. Share with your friends and family, and that bell, don't forget to click on that bell so you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking!